Good afternoon and welcome to Integrity Sells. Folks, here we are, excited to share with you another brand new 2012 model Integrity 40 by 102 by 66 inch sided hopper bottom grain trailer. Folks, here is another time-tested design trailer. Folks, we've built these stamped rib design sides since 1982 and have enjoyed longevity, happy customers, and a very strong product. Now folks, on this trailer, let's go ahead and start out right here at the front. This one is equipped with all standard features except for one additional item. This trailer is equipped with catwalks front and back. It has the nice step that this customer wanted put on this trailer. Custom. It's available for you. Just ask for it. Now folks, let's continue. I'm going to drop on down, show you our heavy duty 3/8 thick fifth wheel plate kingpin assembly. And folks, how about this? Look above the wheels here, folks. You can see that it's all enclosed. There is no trash, salt, and mud going up in here to kill your trailer from the outside in. It's totally concealed from the environment with a nice removable trap door right there, so we can get in there for manufacturing, welding, and wiring purposes. Now folks, take a look at these heavy 50,000-pound landing gears with all the cross bracing. You can unload this with these 2,000-pound landing gears and set her down loaded and never worry about caving her in. Now, when we talk about these time-tested design stamped ribs, folks, all solid welded continuous construction, no overlapping of steel. Every piece is butted up and solid welded, folks. That is longevity. It takes more time to build, but we're building value, folks. We're not looking to do mass production. We're looking at building value and quality here at Integrity Sells. Now folks, as we zip along here, you can see it's a continuous panel. Very nice looking trailer. Very heavy duty. All 3/16 wall tubular main frame. All stamped rib sides, front and back. All solid welded construction on the hopper areas with the high 22-inch ground clearance ag hoppers. Easy open doors. We'll show you that on the other side. Folks, take a look at the solid welded construction around these knock rails. Again, we're not butting an angle iron up here that's going to rust out. We're taking a piece of 1/4-inch material and bending it and butting it up in solid welding. So therefore, again, if you do not overlap steel, you'll never rust them out, folks. Just check it out for yourself. Now, for you Michigan farmers or truckers, if you need a lift axle, there's plenty of axle space here for a lift axle between the hoppers. Again, that's totally an option. Folks, let's pivot on back here. Everything is brand new on this trailer except for the suspension. This is a late model air ride suspension, rebuilt to all new DOT specs with ABS brakes. You can see when I'm talking about rebuilt. Obviously, the parts are all there staring back at you. Shoes, chambers, tanks, hoses, valves, it's all here for you, and it is a savings to you to go rebuilt. However, if you want all brand new, just ask and it's available for you. So folks, with that, you can see with the rebuilt you get like 80% virgin rubber, and they are nice tires on 10-hole hub piloted. Folks, very, very much like brand new. Now, come up closer. You can see one feature is, see the light panels back there, folks? All solid and covered up. Sealed beam harness going to it. Look at the floors over the wheels in the back. Now, where are you going to go find this, folks? Look at this. All sealed up from the suspension frame out to the rail. Solid all the way around. There's no trash and mud going up in the back of this trailer either. Now, let's come on around to the back of the trailer, folks, and I'm going to show you. We have a standard equipment on this trailer, again, except for the front and rear catwalk. So the vented tarp cap you're seeing up there allows you to unload in the rain without opening the tarp. It won't suck it in that way. And we're looking at a ground-operated, crank-locked roll tarp system that's also standard equipment. I have it rolled open in the locked position at this point. Now, let's come on around to the back of the trailer, and I'm going to square off on it and let you have a look at it. Now, as you can see, standard equipment, nice ladders front and back, mud flaps, lights, DOT tape. It's all here for you. You got to have it anyway. Now, let's come on up here, and I'm actually going to show you. We have a nice low step on this ladder. I can comfortably just put my foot up here, and up we go. So let's go up, and I'm going to give you a look at the top of this trailer. Now, as we come over the top of this tarp cap, I want to point something out to you folks. If you look at these tarp bows, you're not looking at a typical rain hoop that's holding up the tarp. These are built like a truss in a building. They play a major part in the integrity and the strength of this trailer. Holding the top rails straight is a very, very major part in strength. Now note, we have a full center divider in this sucker going all the way to the top. You can absolutely load A and B compartments. Now, if you'll take a look, I'm going to go over to the side rail. I'm going to focus the camera and look how nice and perfectly straight these rails are, folks. Our people take pride in their work, and we build a nice quality trailer. Now, with that, we're going to head back to the ground. Okay, folks, now that we've safely arrived, let's go ahead and continue our way around the trailer. As you can see, with the tarp open, it exposes the aluminum paint guard so that when the tarp comes across, rolls over to lock it shut, it does not take the paint off the trailer sides. It bounces on those ribs, and that saves your paint. Now let's come on up along the side of the trailer. You can see again, it's a duplication, and folks, this trailer is equipped with an air suspension dump valve and a pressure gauge, so you can use it as a load monitoring gauge. Now folks, let's come on up here to a very exciting part that I want to share with you. Now, who is ever going to tell you that they've kept the same product since 1982? Well, I'm about to do so. We have a time-tested design hopper trailer door system that has never been changed since 1982. The old saying is, if it's not broke, you don't fix it. This door works perfect, flawlessly, and you can count on it every time. Now, let's come up here and I'll show you what I mean. It's got a safety latch here. You can grab the latch, flip it right up, and look at this now. I'm going to show you. I got one little pinky finger on here, and look at me swing this door. Now, check it out. Look how nice it comes out here. I'm just turning this effortlessly, and you can see that door come right out. It's a double track rack and pinion system that flawlessly works every time. Now, I'm going to get my camera down. I'm going to show you. Instead of one little gear down the middle, I have a rack on both sides, which makes this door have to go open and close perfectly square each and every time. And folks, I'm telling you, when it's loaded, you can walk up here with two hands and just effortlessly crank this door open and close. Now, I'm telling you, I'm not overemphasizing this. If anybody wants to talk to any previous customers that has had our trailers for 15, 20 years, I'll be happy to share their phone numbers with you, and they'll be proud to tell you about how nice the hopper doors work. Now, folks, let's come on up. You can see we have a duplication with the front hopper. You can see we have the 2-speed landing gears. Everything is here for you just like you would expect. They're Joist 50,000-pound 2-speed landing gears. Now I'm going to give you a nice reverse view here down the sidewall on this driver's side, and you can see it all stacks right up to your expectations. And folks, remember, we will custom build you anything. You bring us the plan, the design, and the color scheme, and we will build it for you. We are now currently building trailers in the United States and Canada. We will ship to your door. So folks, if you can dream it, we can build it. Thanks again for shopping Integrity Cells. Please visit our websites at www.99trailers.com. That's the 2 number 9s and the word trailers with an S on it. .com. Also, we sell all kinds of trucks to go with these trailers. Visit our truck website, www.99trucks.com. Thanks again for shopping Integrity Cells, and you have yourself a splendid day.